ASICORP Piping and its product, SIDGMAN the welded flange. A test of welding exposure to heat. A test was conducted to demonstrate how the SIDGMAN welded flange performs compared to the traditional pipe welding system. A painting pipe was cut lengthwise into 2 half rounds. An 8-inch diameter Schedule 40 pipe was used for the test. All the half rounds painted on both sides with the same pattern, leaving a 20 mm wide strip in the area to be welded. The test was run in parallel with 2 6G professional welders and MIG welding equipment. The test begins. With the traditional welding system, flaming combustion is immediately produced in the inner painted area, but when you weld with the SIDGMAN flange, thanks to its special design, the inner paint remains intact. With the traditional system, the damage done to the internal coating is complete and irreversible in the entire area surrounding the welded joint, leaving behind deposits of combustion residue due to the carbonization of the resin. By contrast, the half rounds done with the SIDGMAN flange keep their coating and O-ring seal intact. The outer zone of the half rounds welded by the traditional system shows that the welding heat destroys the coating up to 40 mm on each side of the joint, leaving behind a residue and an uneven surface. But with the SIDGMAN flange, the coating adjacent to the 20 mm strip remains intact and retains its original properties. The unique characteristics resulting from the geometry and innovative design of the SIDGMAN flange ensure optimal results, saving time and costs during construction, as well as providing substantial operational benefits. No other technology offers these advantages. SIDGMAN, the welded flange, an ASICORP piping product.